Mendoza from Fantasy's Hair Salon, and today I'm going to share with you some tips and techniques on how to do a bang beehive. So I have already prepped my model with a ponytail, and I also braided it, and this is going to create my base. So I created the base, and now all I have to do is create it into a bun. So I'm just going to twist it around, and I'm going to pin as I go. Okay, now that it's nice and pinned, I'm going to tease the top section that I've created. So basically what I did is from the end of my eyebrow, I created a nice ponytail on the bottom section. And for this top section, I'm going to lightly tease all throughout using 1/2 inch sections. And I'm going to tease till about 3/4 of the hair strand to create our beehive. So I'm going to bring the hair up in a 90-degree angle, and I'm going to tease. Great. So now that we teased the whole top section, we're going to smooth the hair out. And we're going to grab it from the back and make sure everything is nice and smooth. And now once we bring all the hair to the back, we're going to divide this section into 2. And we're going to crisscross it, and we're going to hide it underneath our bun in the back. And we're going to go right underneath. So we're going to crisscross it. And we're going to go right over. And we're going to go right over our base section. And we're just going to twist the excess hair, and we're going to pin it on the opposite side. And we're just going to continue smoothing. And now that we are done, we're going to just come into our bangs. We're going to tease a little bit in the front of our bangs to add a little bit of volume. Smooth it out. Same thing on the opposite side. Adding a little bit of hairspray. Great. I'm Mendoza, and I just shared with you some tips and techniques on how to do a bang beehive.